Hi, welcome. So in this lecture, I'll talk about several aspects of Git tagging. So number one is how to see the diff between two tags, or in other words, how to compare two tags. Secondly, we'll check how to update tags. And finally, we'll see how to delete tags. So let's check our list of tags using git tag. So you have several tags over here. Let's also execute our git log command, and over here you can see our commit history that we have built up through our several lectures in this section. So let me clear the screen. So now I'll modify the file index.html, press enter, and let's modify our title. So our title will be tag diff demo. Let's save and quit :wq, and let's commit our file index.html using git commit -am. So it's an express commit. We are in the master branch. We modified the title, and the file is index.html. Quotes close, press enter, and our commit is done. Now let's create our tag. So let's associate our tag with the latest commit. So in such case, the command is git tag -a, which is an annotated tag, and then our tag name. So our tag name is v-3.1.o. So v stands for version, and then we provide our tag message release 3.1, and let's assume that this is an alpha release. So we'll associate the word alpha with the tag name. Press enter, and our tag gets created. We'll make another simple modification to the file index.html. Press enter. We'll go down, and this time we'll modify the version number of this .js file over here, and let's modify it to 2.8.3 to 2.8.8. That's our simple change. We'll save and quit, and we'll do an express commit. So let's retrieve an earlier commit message, and we'll simply modify the commit message. So the action we took is modified JS file version, and the file is of course index.html. Press enter. So our head position changes to this latest commit, and we'll associate this commit with our new tag. So let's create a new tag, and let's assume that this will be our beta release. So we'll retrieve our earlier tag command, and in this case I'll simply modify it from alpha to beta, and the tag message will be same, which is release 3.1. We'll simply append the word beta with it. Press enter, and let's now clear our screen, and let's execute the git log command. Press enter, and here we are. So this was our first commit, and we considered this as our alpha release, and this was our second commit, and we considered this as our beta release. Now we'll compare the two tags we just now created. So for that we'll use our diff tool. So we can use p4 merge for this purpose, and the command we need to execute is git diff v-3.1 and then alpha, and next we'll compare v-3.1.o beta. So first we'll do a diff, and then we'll use a diff tool. Press enter, and here you are. So you can see the diff for the file index.html, and the diff is presented over here. In a similar manner, we can use the git diff tool. So I retrieve my earlier command for the diff, and I'll simply modify it to append the word tool, and we'll execute the git diff tool for the alpha and beta release. Press enter. So the left pane represents the alpha release, and the right pane represents the beta release. And here is the diff presented by the diff tool. So let's quit now that we have examined the difference between the alpha and beta tags. File, and then exit. Let me clear the screen, and let me re-execute the git log command. Press enter. Now I'll show you how to update a commit. So in order to demonstrate that, I'll make a simple change to the file 404.html, press enter, and I'll simply modify the title over here. So this is git tag update demo. Let's save and quit. So let's do an express commit since this is already a tracked file. For that, we'll use the -a and -m option, and our branch is master, and the action we took is modified the title, and the file is 404.html. Quotes close, press enter, and the commit is done. We'll modify the file index.html as well, and we'll update the title over here. So this is git tag update demo. So we'll modify the title accordingly. We'll save and quit, and we'll do an express commit this time. And this time we modified the title as well, and the file name of course is different, which is index.html. Press enter, and the commit is done. Let's clear the screen and let's re-execute the git log command. Press enter. So we have two new commits over here, and let's consider modifying this tag v-3.1.o-beta, and we will associate this tag with this commit ID, which is the latest or the head. So the command for updating our tag and associating it with the latest commit is git tag -a. So A stands for annotated, and then our tag name, which is v-3.1.o-beta. So we'll simply copy it and paste it at the prompt, and then the -f option. So if stands for force. So instead of -f, you can write --force as well, and then the commit ID with which you want to associate it with. So we'll copy the latest commit ID and paste it over here. Press enter, and here you go. So Git has launched the default editor for the tag message, and it has provided a default tag message as well. So this is pretty good, and we'll accept this tag message. So I'll save and quit, file save, and then file exit. And here we are. Git has provided the response that it has updated the tag. So let's clear the screen, press enter. So I'll re-execute the git log command, press enter, and here you can see that the tag beta has been updated. So it has moved over from this commit ID to the latest commit ID or the head. So next I'll show you how to delete a tag. So let me execute the git log command once again, and let's delete a particular tag, and we'll choose this tag v-1.9.1. So the command for that is git tag, then the tag name. We'll copy the tag name, which is v-1.9.1, and paste it over here, and then you provide the option for deleting, which is --delete. Press enter, and Git comes up with the response that it has deleted tag v-1.9.1. Let's clear the screen, and let's re-execute the git log command, and here we are. You can't see the v-1.9 tag anymore, and we can execute the command git tag as well to list all the tags, and you can see that v-1.9.1 tag is no more visible in the list of tags. So the tag has been deleted completely. So to summarize, we have shown you three aspects of Git tagging. Firstly, we have showed you how to compare tags, and next we showed you how to update tags, and finally how to delete tags. So with this, we conclude this lecture.